Are you okay, dude?
Don't get your hand near that mouth. He's just a baby. Whoa! I told you, don't get your hand near that mouth, dude. They'll shred you.
Fuck you up, dude. Got it.
Here we have some baboons in a kitchen, just hanging out.
Y'all better recognize who's here tonight. Get out of here. Get out of here. Huh? Y'all want to play with my piece of cat, yo? Get your ass out of here. Get your ass out of here. Come on. I said, get your freaking ass out of here.
Get out of that room! It's there.
Antonio! There's one right there! Shit!
Oh my god! Oh my god! I got it! It's gonna start. Oh, Pete. It's gonna hump you. It's gonna.
Oh God, Pete, your pedal's close to that one. Sorry.
I'm so afraid of emus. Oh my god, it's the one with just one eye! Seriously, get out of my lap! But how do I get out? I can't! Okay, go! No, I can't! I'm trying to drive! Okay, stop it! Go away! Go! Get out of here! Ah, get out of here! Come on, man! Seriously, dude! Back off! Oh god, I think I heard it!
Yeah!
What's going down? Oh god! Mom! Don't put the kids up again! I hate emus. I hate you. You're so emo-y. Okay, just get the... Eat the food. Eat the food. Eat the food. Look how nice the camel is. Okay, here, bye. Bye. It's so scary. Why am I so afraid of emus?
It's gonna get fucked up.
Holy shit! Oh fuck!
Kurwa, co robisz? Jackson fixing to ride a bull, or well, not quite a bull, a little cow thing. Oh no!
Out that door now. Get out that door. Out that door. Go. Out the door. I'm gonna step out for a second. You just take care.
He's after. There's a deer chasing you. No, he's still. Oh!
Poor thing. Let it go. Let it go.
Cheap shots.
He doesn't know. He doesn't know. Oh, he's gonna pick up the gun. Oh, no.
Está utilizando la monta, se viene. Vamos, carrilero viejo. ¡Ay, lo sacó tapado Rente! ¡Vamos, compañero, venga! Cuidado, cuidado, cuidado. Cuidado, che.
Cuidado. All right, so grass.
Don't go to her level.
I don't know about that.
Yeah.
Hello, elephant. Hello.
No, I missed it. I didn't get him.
All right. This is all work. He's pissed. We gotta go. We gotta go. Terry, pull away.
That was honestly the fucking way.
He's gonna break your window.
Oh my
Go.
god, oh my god.
Oh shit, he wants food, I think. Oh.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh, grab it, grab it! Monkey! Oh no!
There we go. He's out. He's out. He's out. That man rocks. Mission accomplished.
Safety first, people. Safety first.